an international student, why should I take AP and what actually is AP? AP is an advanced placement exam, and this actually helps you cut down the number of courses that you have to take for your undergrad program, or what we commonly call as bachelor's program in India. Now, when you are applying for AP examination, what you can do is you can start from grade 9 till 12th and appear for few APs. Over the years, if you take at least 1 or 2 APs, you would be able to cover 4 to 8 APs over this period of 4 years. If you are able to cover around 4 to 5 APs, that means you are able to reduce your 1 semester in the international university you are applying, and that would significantly cut down your tuition cost, and it would also give you a good standing for selection into an undergrad program. So fees or the cost is one of the additional points, and the second additional point is it gives your resume an outstanding approach in contrast to other students. So definitely recommend it. Now, which universities accept AP examination? Universities in Australia, universities in Canada, Singapore, United States and UK accept AP scores. That means if you are planning to study abroad in any one of these countries, you should definitely target with AP exams. All the courses from all the subjects would not be counted towards your degree. What you can do is, let's say for humanities, social sciences, if there are mandatory 8 subjects you have to cover, you can take at least 3 to 4 subjects in the first round and cover those, and this would reduce your burden of covering the humanities and social sciences if you are in a STEM course by 50%, also significantly reducing your stay in the university, your duration for completion of your bachelor's program or the undergrad program, and your ultimate charges. If you are only under 21 years, you would be eligible to take AP. So if you have crossed the age limit of 21 years, you are not eligible to apply for the AP examination. So this was just a quick introduction to what is AP examination and why should you actually think about appearing for AP examination if you want to apply for international universities, if you want to apply for universities renowned worldwide and you are an international student.